Other questions? Other questions?
How would it affect? Doesn't matter. The brainstorm.
Just record everything. Don't discuss. Just record everything.
My future. How would it affect my future? How would it? What would be the impact on my future? How would it affect?
Ha, Cansu ilk yardım çantası var. Ayağını düşmüş bisikletten.
But is it not a believable disease? Why does it have to be
David, Cansu is here.
Oh,
She can help you.
yes.
Yes.
Should I just go down there?
Yeah, go. Be careful.
Yeah. I'm just gonna borrow these flip-flops.
Can you read the question
The
one
red
more
ones?
time?
What's this? Yeah. Can I borrow them? Yeah. Thanks.
What are all the questions we need to answer
Yeah.
in order to live
Yes.
healthy?
Now we gotta read.
And what is this? Explain this for video.
So we have 3 questions that we have answered.
This is
according
Einstein
to-
workshop.
Yeah, it's an Einstein workshop.
What is the question of Einstein workshop? Yeah. What are all the questions we need to answer in order to
Live a life.
live healthy life?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
I say nothing.
All right.
Gustavo speak.
Yeah.
Gustavo speak.
We are group number 2, Addict, Discover Yourself, Growing Together. Question number 1: what kind of motivation do we need to start a healthy lifestyle?
What is the beginning?
Yeah.
Need someone because some people cannot decide they want a healthy lifestyle or not, or they want to start healthy lifestyle or not, because some people don't have a time for healthy lifestyle and etc. So some people need someone, another person or organization which will help her or him to start a healthy lifestyle. So we need some motivation. So our first question is, what kind of motivation we need to start a healthy lifestyle?
Question number 2.
Question number 2.
What if I do not have time to be healthy?
Health. Yeah, because we are young people, but we also don't have time for healthy food or healthy lifestyle. We are all day in university or at work, and we come at home very late time, so we don't have time for sport activities, or we don't have time to make at home some
You eat
meals.
fast food also.
Yeah, we eat junk food, we eat hamburgers in
Yes.
universities. So that's our second question is, what if I don't have time to be healthy? So
Question.
we need answer what we need to do if we don't have time to live healthy lifestyle, and we don't when we can't do something healthy at home.
Sorry,
Question number 3.
How can I ignore the temptations like candy and alcohol from media and friends?
Yeah, we know that. So, for example, when I'm on a diet, maybe Nancy is not on a diet,
Yeah.
but she wants to eat hamburgers,
Yeah.
but I can't eat hamburgers because I'm on a diet.
Yeah.
So she tells me, just give up, today we are going to eat hamburgers, but I can't. So what can I do right now? That's the third question.
Yes.
Nancy, you want that I want
That was it.
to be fat? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, that's our third question.
Okay, I give a feedback. Thank you very much. I give a feedback.
Now?
The answers should be not general, specific answers. And for example, 10 days later, what you should do for this. Okay, you understand?
Yeah, we
Yes, I forget-
I didn't know.
We
We
need-
saw that
Like
we
that.
needed to write all the questions.
Yes,
If you will give up,
for Einstein workshop, we need practical answers. Then you apply in 10 days, in
Okay,
1 week,
if
in
you
1
give,
month.
give
Yes.
us for a little time, we will make the answers also.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now next group.